Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today uh, we will present our project 1. Okay, my name is Abdul Wafillah bin Masri and my teammate Ahmad Adidina bin Muhammad Faudi and Halim Shah Hanafi bin Muhammad Hanafiah. Okay, next. Okay, uh, introduction. The use of computer technologies to create a simulated environment is known as a visual reality (VR). In contrast to typical user interface, visual reality immerses the user in an experience. Users are immersed and able to engage with 3D worlds rather than viewing a screen in front of them. The computer is transformed into a gatekeeper to this artificial world by replicating as many senses as possible, including vision, hearing, touch, and even smell. Near real VR experience are only limited by the availability of content and low-cost computer power. Okay, next. Background. VRChat. VRChat is an online video world platform created by Graham Geller and Jess Jondry and operated by VRChat. The platform allows users to interact with other user created 3D avatars and worlds. VRChat is primarily designed for use with user reality headset such as the Oculus Rift and Oculus Quest series Steam VR headset such as HTC Vive and Windows Mixed Reality, but it's also usable without VR in a desktop mode designed for either a mouse and keyboard or gamepad. VRChat was first released as a Windows application for the Oculus Rift Decade 1 prototype on January 16, 2014 and was released to the Steam Early Access program on February 1, 2017. Okay, next. Problem statement. The reason of this game development because during COVID-19 all social activities including social interaction are limited. People cannot make an interaction face to face because of movement control order (MCO). Also doing and such as game outdoor activities like bowling, mini games and other also limited. Okay, next. Objective. Improve English language skill and can learn other languages, can communicate with each other without any boundaries, can improve communication skill to allow artists to make a living of the thing they make in VRChat, such as the world, avatars, performance, experience, events, and more. Okay, next. This is our financial decomposition diagram (FDD). Okay, first VRChat. Okay, first registration account. Create username, insert email, insert phone number, two-way authentication, and second maintenance update, ID, staff ID verification, application scanning, bug fix, update version, show and view update to platform. Okay, manage user VRChat account. First, log on, get user information, add user, update user, remove user, update user record. Okay, next, online communication, setting mic, test mic, open mic, have fun with conversation. Okay, the last one, change your avatar and map access. Okay, main menu, social tab, avatar selection, map selection. Okay, next. Okay, this our use case diagram. You can see the first person and second person. The first person is for the user. Okay, play game, set up VR and set up map, set up avatar, registration, create username, insert phone number and two-way authentication. Okay, the second user is the server. uh, Load user data, collect data, user data, key in data in server. Okay, next. This is our data flow diagram, DFD. Okay, first user and run game, end game. For in the middle, you can see confirmation and data store. Okay, thank you for me. I will pass to my friend Ahmad Adidin. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Afi, for your explanation. So today I'm going to continue with user interface system and output system. So I'm going to start with interface system, which is here. As you can see right here, this is our interface system. So I'm going to start with this. Okay, this is um, actually this is Actually, this is an interface when you want to start the game. So if you want to start the game, you have to log on first. So after you log in, you have to click go to enter the games. After you enter the game, you will find this kind of interface, which it was including avatar and it was including world. In avatar, they will have avatar and worlds. So we'll start with avatar, which is this is mandatory one, or this is yes, this is mandatory one because if you don't have avatar, you don't have your own character, and it's also compulsory to having at least the character you like. So here there is a two character. One is modded, one is default character. So the default character is in public, which it was it was a vanilla version of this. It was a vanilla character of this game, or known as original character in this game. But if you don't want the default character, you also can choose your own modded character, like at favorite avatars, which it's only it will limit to 25. You can save up to 25 character your modded character. Like mine, I have this character named Yaimiko, Nendo Majima Zhongli. So, uh, how to obtain this character? So to obtain this character, you have to enter a certain world. You have to enter a specific world based on your character you are in. Like this. Okay, let's say my character is Yaibiko. My favorite character is Yaibiko, and she was from Genshin Impact World. So I have to type in here Genshin Impact World. Then the Genshin Impact World will appear right here. But in the screenshot, I didn't write a Genshin Impact. But if you don't write it, they will give you a random world which you can enter which world you want. So actually, this is not on the world is not only picking up the character, but you can find other people you can communicate with. Okay, the next one is the game output. Okay, let's see here. I'm sorry for this picture because it's kind of explicit, but let's continue with it. Actually, if you see the box that fill up with the character, it is actually a modded character. To obtain this kind of mod character, you have to click which box you want to click. So if you click the box, uh, your favorite character will be spawned. After your character spawn, you can save it right here, which is you can select unfavorite or favorite up to 25, like I said. And then this is this is the world when you can find another stra- you can find another stranger or either your friend, because as you can see right here, you can see people, because when you enter the world that fill up with stranger and your friend, you can communicate with them. You can unleash your social skill. You can show to the people how cool are you. How cool are you when you are making a conversation, something like that. Okay, thank you. Next, I will pass to the Halim Shah to finishing our presentation. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Eddie. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Salim Shanafi bin Muhammad Hanafiah. My number metric is 25DDT19F2036. Today, I'm going to continue the presentation about the project one. So, next we are going to schedule the testing phase to end user. So, we are create this testing phase, the scheduled testing, we are using waterfall. So on the waterfall, we have five. The schedule the testing, which is number one is unit testing. The user need login user ID. And second, integrating testing, which is user need to verify the account. And next, number three, system testing, which is menu user interface or UI. For the menu user interface, we can refer to page 9 and 10. Okay. And the four, system testing, which is gameplay and feature. For this gameplay and feature, we can refer on page 10 and the picture number 2, as you can see, the picture number 2. Then the last one is system testing audio and microphone. We can refer to page 11. As you can see, we have audio. Yeah. For this, this is referred to mute. If the gameplay shows no this feature, which is mute microphone, which is we can talk to all players around the world. So next schedule maintenance of the system. For the weeks we have uh, every day everyday update, which not every day yet every day, but a little it- update. So starting Monday, which is server update, which is we have add a new feature. From Monday to Thursday, server updates, and then for the Friday, we are gonna full server maintenance, uh, we we need to see if the games have any bugs or any errors. And then Saturday until Thursday is the server update, which is just the same update, but not full. So yeah, yeah, this is the schedule maintenance of the system. And now we are going to conclusion. The conclusion is VR chat is a one of a kind, sophisticated, and at the time befuddling experience. It's equal parts video game, social media, and meme generator. It's the bizarre in between that's the most concerning. It has an influence whether it is game or not. Although the medium is innocuous, it has the ability to have a significant impact on a user personality. VR chat has the potential to be a game. The distinction is significant. And the setting in which users choose to participate with VR chat has a significant impact up on the outcome. This is not to argue that all VR chat experiences are bad for your social or emotional well-being. It is not less essential to be aware of the difficulties. The future success of VR chat as well as user participation is something to keep an eye on. So that's all from us, the presentation about the VR chat. Thank you for listening our presentation, the project one. Thank you again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.